Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do an unboxing because my husband ordered this one. It's called actually Smartcara. Okay, so I will show you later what's inside. Okay, inside there is this one explanation. So it means that all the food left over from the sink, you can remove it and then you can put it inside and it will make it as a solid food. And these are the food that you cannot put inside the Smartcara. So as you see, these are the corn, clams, nuts, and others. It's so heavy I cannot carry. So just a moment. I'll be moving inside the box. Okay. This is called Smartcara, the state-of-the-art solution to your food waste problem. It's odorless, easy to use, eco-friendly, easy to maintain, and short cycle. Because in Korea, it's a problem when you throw the leftover food, it smells bad. So we have to go to the basement and throw the leftover food, and it smells so bad. This is the last time that I will throw food waste. Yeah. It smells so bad, so you have to open this one and remove the plastic. Oh, so we bought this one. It cost 600,000 won. I think about 30,000 pesos, almost. Okay, so I'll show you how to operate. So first you have to plug it. So you have to turn it on. It's automatic. Okay, and then so these are the leftover tangsuyok. We're going to put it here and make it small pieces. So you can see this one, it's locked, and this is to open and this is for lock. So I will open it. Okay, and then so you can see this small basket. Okay, so this is the basket. You can put the waste food here. Okay. Okay, so my husband is going to put the tangsuyok and leftover vegetables. We cooked a lot today. 다 들어간 거 아닌 거 같은데.
됐어, 이제 그만 넣어.
그럼 tangsuyok 못 넣는데?
못 넣어.
조금만 넣어봐. 조금만 한번 보자. Okay, and the other tangsuyok here.
됐어, 또 돼.
Okay, and then you have to cover it. 닫아. 저기 버린 거 같은데? 잠깐만. Okay, and then automatic. We have to 이거?
눌러봐.
No, press this one. It's 세척. Okay, it's starting now.
아, 이거 세척이야.
시킴?
분쇄.
Okay, so it said that the handle is too hot, so be careful not to touch it. So you have to press the power on and it will start now. So it's starting to operate now. So it will take 3 hours to finish this one. So this is the manual. Okay. So you have to change the filter after 2 to 3 months. So it said how to change the filter as well. Okay, Smartcara. This is called Smartcara, Korean's #1 food waste disposal. It's Smartcara, the state-of-the-art solution to your food waste problem. Now it's crushing.
A few moments later.
Wow, it's done. Let's see. 짜잔! Wow!